Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech. We are back in the studio, and I got a surprise, maybe not a surprise, maybe. It's the Pixel Fold, which you know that I got, and I'm loving and enjoying. And I also got a gift from my friends over at Whitestone Dome, which means we've got some goodies to play with in here. Where I like to start with most screen protectors is I want to go ahead and take the case off of it. That way we can do what needs to be done. I like to go ahead and turn off the device, and when it comes to the Pixel, it is super easy to go ahead and turn it off. There's a little power button right there, and then you just turn it off. Close the phone at this point because we're just dealing with probably the outside of the device, and then we'll deal with the inside later. So let's go ahead and get into the box. So let's see what goodies we got for us this time. That's over there. So we have an all-in-one dome. This is probably the inside screen protector, if you will. Here we have the external. Ooh, a case! A case! You sent me a case, Whitestone Dome. Thank you. And they sent me the Dome Glass EA for your Pixel Fold. So simple to use, vivid clarity, helps you with your fingerprints, scratch proof, high touch sensitivity, shatter resistant. I'm here to tell you, right? The Pixel Fold is already a tough cookie to begin with. This device has been through the gamut with me. I've dropped it. I have not thrown it, but I've dropped it about 7 times. 7 times. So that's a lot of dropping to happen for a phone. It's a lot. Like, how much more can you take? I don't know. But what I do know is I'm not going to press my luck. We're putting a screen protector and now a case on it right now. Whitestone Dome is smart, right? I like to think they're smarter than the average bear because they know that there's a lot of things me and you do really, really well. We don't put on screen protectors well. So they go out of their way to make it super useful and super easy for people like me and people like you to go ahead and put screen protectors on. So is this kind of a shout out? Yeah. Are they paying me? No, I really don't get anything other than a screen protector for doing this whole video, which I don't even have to do. I just want you to know I look forward to doing them because I get a free screen protector and I get an awesome screen protector at the same time. So that's why I kind of like working with Whitestone Dome, because I do enjoy the product. And that's what I want you guys to know. I enjoy the product and it works. And I think they're a fun brand to work with. So that's why we're here today. Like I said, they know me and you do a lot of things really, really well. Putting on screen protectors is not one of those things that we do well. So they've gone out of their way to make this terribly easy for me and for you. Literally steps written out. You can't miss it. So we're gonna go ahead, pull out our contents. We've got some little cloths. We've got some little dust guys. We've got some alcohol swabs. We've got some plastic that we don't need. And we've got another piece of plastic that we don't need. So this is easy. We're gonna do it. This is it. This is the screen. This is the install. They gave us 2. When I told you that they're making this easy for us, look at this. Look at this. It's just like, can it get any easier? So let's first start off cleaning like we always do. Feel like I got that nice and clean. I'm gonna set this to the side in case I gotta fix it later. I'm gonna let it dry. And then we're gonna go after our dust sticker, right? We're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna do this. Now that I've cleaned my phone, I'm actually seeing I got a couple scratches on it. So this device and this hard screen is definitely a thing, but is it indestructible? No. You need a screen protector. It's like $1,900 or $17. I don't know. It was a lot of money. This was like, whoa, this device. So we want to make sure to protect it. It's not an investment, but you want to make sure to protect it. So it says step 1, wipe the device, use the sticker. Done. Step 2, right? One-handed, fasten the tray by holding 2 sides of the glass. Press gently and stay on back with forefinger. So like, take this out because we don't need it. Okay, step 1, please peel this off. Ooh, like I said, they made this easy for me and you because we do so many other things better. So step 1, peeled off. Okay. Ooh, step here, peeled off. Step 4, place tray. I take it this up means the top. The bottom means the bottom, and it goes into the tray. So It went in there perfect. Arrow sticker faces up. That's how we got it. Press the center until the adhesion is complete. It says pull away to the arrow while holding the tray down. So this is the next step. This is the easiest Whitestone dome install I've ever participated in. Okay, so this is it. Wow. Oh, that's it. Ooh, she's got a bubble right there. Unacceptable bubbling. No way. What do we do with bubbles? We push them to the corner. We say, no bubble. Not today, bubble. Almost a complete flawless install. Not completely flawless. I'm gonna show you because I'm real, right? Look at that, right there in the corner. Oh, you see that? Oh, that. I'm gonna tell you the truth. It's never going away. That was a piece of dust or something that I didn't get, and it got under there. Now I have a choice. I can pull it up and try to clean it, but I'm going to remove the adhesion. I'm gonna jeopardize the integrity of the stickiness of the glass and the stickies. So I'm gonna go with, this is an acceptable boo-boo. We're gonna go about our lives and we're gonna turn our device on and we're gonna use it. So that's what I wanted to show you guys today. There's a separate sticker install video coming, so like, comment, subscribe if you wanna go ahead and don't miss that video. And before we go, I will go ahead and open up this case and show it to you. Now, I am hoping that as the result of this install, we're going to discover that this is a case-friendly design. I'm thinking it would be, or else Whitestone Dome probably wouldn't have sent a case out with their little creator care package, but I'm super excited about this case. So it looks a little tough, it looks a little beefy, so it's gonna protect us. Wow, it looks like it has a built-in screen protector. Shut the front door. It has, what is this? What am I looking at right here? Wow, all-in-one, perfect fit, comfortable grip, and a screen protector. So this has got a little bit of everything in there. So let's go ahead and get it set up. Oh, get that done. So this looks like a front cover, friend. So, all right, we're literally like double screen protected right now. So I feel super good about this. And wow, what is this, like a kickstand? Shut up, Whitestone Dome. I can't believe I wasn't more excited about this when I got it. I didn't know that there's a kickstand. So this just like folds in there. What? All right, let's go ahead and stick this in here. All right, and like in the foldable zone. Okay, so here's the back of it. Wow, with a kickstand. Okay, so that's legit. So that's gonna open and close whenever it wants. So let's go ahead and fit this back on there. I left the adhesion off because I don't know if this is going to be a keeper for me because it is a little bit bulky. I'm gonna be honest, Whitestone, she's chunky. This is a chunky case and you might want to think about slimming her down a little bit, but I get you're going for protection. So there's not a lot of options for us right now in the pixel world. So legit beggars can't be choosers. So thank you when it comes to it. So let's go ahead and turn the screen on. Which way is it? So you can kind of see a little bit of pixel in action. There we go. We've got the screen going that way. And then I'm sure you can use it other ways too. But given that this is a pretty robust design. I mean, that kind of pops off. Honestly, Whitestone, this is not necessary. I think this part could come off. If it came off as an option, that would be even better. It might come off as an option, so that's kind of cool. I gotta research that right there. I don't want to look at that, but I don't want to pick a nail. So we're gonna find out more about this later, but the case, it's definitely thick, it's beefy, and if you're going for protection, here it is. I don't know what it costs. Maybe we'll look it up and put it on the website or on the screen for you right now, but here we go, man. We've got the Pixel Fold device. Feels amazing, looks great in here, and we also put the case, we also put the screen protector on it from Whitestone Dome. So if you like what you saw today, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget, if you love my content, share it with your friends and family on social media. Until next time, for the love of tech, namaste.